Aubrey Cox, let's go to the park today. Great idea, Tabby Molesworth, let's do this. What was that? I don't know. Well, whatever that is, we should investigate. And then maybe we find information about it. Let's go.
What the hell, Mrs. Green? I asked you to give me some cigarettes, but you didn't listen to me. What didn't you listen to me when you were supposed to give some cigarettes?
But honey, I don't have any money left. I have to go to the bank and get more money.
This is unbelievable, Mrs. Green. This is all your fault. Because of you, now we don't have any money left to buy stuff anymore.
I'm sorry, Mr. Hernandez.
No, I'll never forgive you, because I am violating a divorce.
Wah! Aubrey Cox, why is Mr. Hernandez angry at Mrs. Green? Apparently, Mrs. Green doesn't have any money left to groceries anymore, and Mr. Hernandez is violating a divorce tomorrow. Oh no, that's horrible. Let's go home and think about what happened today. Good idea, Aubrey. I can't believe that Mr. Hernandez is violating a divorce tomorrow. And I can't believe that Mrs. Green doesn't have any money left to buy groceries anymore. Let's watch TV, that'll clear our minds. Great idea, Tabby.